Hey, kitty. Alright, well, this is the fridge. This is the stainless version of the white one that you were thinking about getting. And here's a little example of how difficult it is to open. You have to give a really firm tug. And sometimes it shakes like that. Kitty! Alright, here's trying to open the freezer. And here's bending down to use it. Kitty, get out of there. Alright, so it's not extremely difficult, but if you don't have a lot of strength, or if you just tug at it, it can be difficult to get open.